Can I close Google Chrome Renderer? Chrome uses multiple renderer processes for tabs and extensions, and here's how to close them safely. So go ahead and press Shift Escape on your keyboard, and that will take you to the task manager. So in here, go ahead and find the process. So render processes handle tabs and web content. You'll see them listed separately from GPU or browser processes. Select the render you want to close and click End Process. The tab tied to it will crash or reload. You can also use your system's task manager activity monitor to end Chrome's processes directly. Closing renders is a troubleshooting step. Tabs will crash and Chrome may restart processes automatically. For long-term fixes, clear cache or remove heavy extensions. Yes, you can use Chrome render processes, but it's best used for troubleshooting high CPU or memory usage. And that is how to close Chrome renderer.